Hey guys, Sports Shot here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Skybase. Now, there's one way that you can do it that's easily and really efficient, and another way that you can do it which is extremely inefficient and not easy at all. So we're going to look at the easy way. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a jetpack, which costs around $12,000 in the game, which isn't too bad. And then you're just gonna want to fly like really high. Like just keep going. And then like maybe that's good. Then just hit the B key, place a node on yourself, and then get a wooden wall. Place that down. You can just place it down in midair, it doesn't matter. Place down a platform. And then boom, you have a platform that you can start building off of. So yeah, this way is not that hard honestly, but yeah, boom, you got a platform that you can build off of. Not that hard really. So yeah, that's about it. And then for the kind of easy way that's not really easy is, okay, I gotta unblock myself here. So I'm gonna I'm gonna unequip the jetpack here. My inventory is full. Okay, I'm gonna take the Bloxy Cola, and I got too many guns. Oh, I got too many bike keys. Store that. Drop the Bloxy Cola, and fall. So you don't take fall damage in this game, so that's not that bad. So what you can do, the easier way that doesn't require, or the harder way that doesn't require a jetpack is, I'm gonna show you. I just gotta spawn in a bike. So you gotta go somewhere else where there's no other nodes. I'm gonna just destroy my node here real quick. Okay, and place down a node. And then what you're gonna want to do is just build up. And yeah, that's about it. So you just gotta build up. It's not that hard. Oh, I just destroyed that. Okay. So yeah, it's not that hard really to do. You just kind of gotta build up in the air, and then boom, you got your platform. It's not really a great skybase, but it works. So I would recommend using the one with the jetpack, because you can essentially build up to space. But yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and that's about it.